Atha Yoga Anushasanam. Namaste. Welcome to Unravel the Thread, a podcast for people who want to apply the Yoga Sutras to yoga practice and to life today. Available online at simple-yoga.org, where you can also find courses, articles, videos, and guided meditations to enrich your practice. I am Ruben Vasquez, your companion on this journey of exploration. On today's episode, we continue our journey through the second chapter of the Yoga Sutra by exploring the fifth yama in Sutra 230, Abundance and Simplicity, aparigraha. As we consider this yama, it is good to keep in mind Sutra 231 that says that the yamas apply at all times and to all beings. Abundance and simplicity, aparigraha. The meanings of parigraha in Sanskrit include taking, accepting, receiving, getting, attaining, acquisition, and possession. Just as with ahimsa, the a before parigraha negates its meaning so that aparigraha means not to accept, to renounce. We live in a world offering constant stimuli to all our senses. Moreover, the major economic systems are engineered based on consumerism, so there is relentless pressure to keep upgrading all kinds of products and experiences. It seems like the mandate of the economy is parigraha. Aparigraha is an invitation to live with simplicity. Taking, getting, acquiring, and possessing are actions that demand a good amount of energy. In addition, whatever you own requires maintenance. With less to keep track of, you have more energy available to invest in life-affirming endeavors. It might be helpful to realize that there is abundance in life. If you doubt this, try to grow a garden. Soon enough you will find that plants will thrive despite neglect, and that many volunteer plants, including weeds, will grow if allowed the minimum appropriate conditions. In fact, have you ever seen a wild plant growing in a small crevice in the concrete someplace in the city? The fact that you are alive is a testimony of the fact that at every point in your life, whatever you needed was within your reach so that you could move forward. However, recognizing abundance is not permission to waste. By recognizing that you live in a life-supportive world, you can choose to live with simplicity, trusting that what you need will be within your reach as you need it. Some useful questions include: do I really need this? How much do I really need? Is this something I need or something I want? To what extent does what I have contribute to enhance the quality of my life? What level of maintenance do my possessions require? Do I own what I have, or does what I have own me? To what extent am I cultivating simplicity in my life? One mantra you can use for aparigraha is I am complete, or I live in abundance. Bringing the wisdom of the Yamas into your life requires you to look for evidence that what you are doing is what you intend to do, and that what you are doing has the desired effects. A simple way to check if your practice of the Yamas is working is by asking yourself, am I noticing less strain, less complaining, and perhaps a little bit more harmony within me? Other useful questions include, is my mind less fettered by restricting misconceptions? Additionally, you can assess the effectiveness of your practice by noticing if you are honoring and appreciating the interdependent nature of life in all forms and manifestations. As usual, one more way of exploring the meaning of this sutra is by chanting it. You can choose to chant it in its traditional form with some of the words coming together. Ahimsa satya steya brahmacharya parigraha yamaha. Another option is to chant each word in the sutra individually. Ahimsa satya asteya brahmacharya aparigraha yamaha. 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 Thank you very much for listening. I hope you can join me for the next episode when we will continue by exploring the next limb of yoga, the niyamas. Please remember that you can find more information, yoga courses, and many free resources including articles, videos, and guided meditations at simple-yoga.org. I would appreciate it if you could share this podcast with others. Thank you. Until next time, Namaste.